Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant pastry. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring your butter is very cold. Combine flour, water, yeast, sugar, and salt to form a shaggy dough. Knead briefly until just combined, then cover and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This initial rest helps the gluten relax, preparing the dough for the crucial lamination steps ahead. Next, we begin the lamination process, which creates those beautiful layers. Encase a cold butter block within your chilled dough. Roll it out carefully into a rectangle, then fold it into thirds, like a letter. This completes one turn. Refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes between each of the 3 turns. Patience here is key for achieving a flaky texture. After the final turn and chilling, roll your dough into a large rectangle, aiming for a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Trim the edges, then cut the dough into long triangles. Gently stretch each triangle and roll it from the wide base to the point, forming the classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet and let them proof in a warm, humid spot until they have doubled in size, which can take 2 to 3 hours. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful croissants. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the proofed croissants with an egg wash for a golden finish. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade, flaky, and delicious croissant pastry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.